We go do Ogbonge work on top civil service, make it for fit serve Edo people wella. Obaseki na him talk this one. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don yarn say im administration go do ogbonge work on top civil service commission for the state, make e for fit dey give Edo people the ogbonge service wey dem deserve. Governor Obaseki talk this one for the Thanksgiving service wey dem do for Edo State Head of Service Anthony Ogbonge for Divine Sisters Brothers Prayer Ministry for Benin City. The way can see Governor Yan say im administration don tanda gidigba on top civil service for the state. Sake of say Edo people want make state government construct plenty ogbonge roads, improve school system from basic education go reach senior secondary school level, plus still give them correct health care, and im no go fit give im people all these ogbonge things except say civil service dey kampe.
And for me, that is quite humbling, because when you occupy a position, you are like a dancer. When you are dancing, you cannot see yourself. It's other people that are observing and watching you and watching your footsteps and your dance steps. And to realize that so many people of influence like you can observe and not just observe, also articulate and communicate to others what we are attempting to do in government is very, very fulfilling and humbling.
Governor Obaseki come here and say Anthony Ogbonge appointment as head of civil service for the state. Now wetin dem think wella before dem do. Sake of say state government plan na to renew civil service, and na that one come make dem put the correct person wey go fit do am wella. Im yarn say their decision dey historic sake of say Ogbonge na the youngest head of service wey dem don ever appoint for Edo State.
So when the last head of service was retired, we prayed, looked up to God and said, who can we bring that will help us begin the very, very difficult task of transforming Edo? At that time, we didn't know there would be something like COVID. At that time, we did not realize that things would be this difficult. But we thank God today that in that selection process, we picked a young man who being here today, I can now appreciate and realize that we helped us grow him. To lead the civil service of Edo State. When we were making that decision, I knew in my mind that it was a historic decision. Because it happens to be one of the, if not the youngest, head of service ever appointed in Edo State. He had other plans for himself. But like I said, we prayed. And we called him and said, you know what? You have plans for yourself, but we are sure that God has other plans for you. I know the metal, I know the substance, the stuff which you are made. For you, it is not about money. It's not about ego. I know how selfless you have been so far. And I want to encourage you to continue with that path.
The way can see Governor still come salute the General Overseer of Divine Sisters Brothers Prayer Ministry, Christy Izeko. Unto say na she be the head of service spiritual guide. Im yarn say make dem continue to dey pray for Ogbonge, sake of say people go vex for im matter wella. But im know say the God wey help am overcome all im enemies go still help the head of service tackle all the yamayama wey e go face for civil service.
You have to pray for him. Please, church, pray for him. Because I have gone through my own issues and God has seen me through. He is going to go through major battles and challenges. I can see it. Because they're asking a young man to come and transform a very old system. There will be a lot of resistance if they're looking already. There will be a lot of anger. People will say, why is it your time that things are now different? When we were there, this is how it used to be. They will not realize that the world has changed. But because I'm on top, I can afford to be watching them. But I will not just watch, I will support you.
Ogbonge come salute the way can see governor for him Ogbonge support. As he tell am saying go even work pass wetin governor Obaseki dey expect on top civil service.
3 past heads of service are here. And I have to especially recognize them because they have guided me on this beautiful journey so far. I want to especially thank His Excellency Mr. Governor for finding me fit to be considered of support. I am immensely grateful, sir. And then for spending time to come and listen to us today. We are immensely grateful. If there were so many things I was going to say, but when Mr. Governor spoke and made a promise, I am not sure I can say anything more. You know, because I know Mr. Governor, he doesn't say it unless he means it. It is only when he says, when he means it that he says it. I want to thank you, sir. God bless you. And then for everybody else, I want to thank you for finding time to come. I want to thank especially my family.
Dis one na the Ogbonge informate wey we carry come give una on top inside Edo today. As Obaseki don yarn say im government go do Ogbonge work on top civil service make e for fit serve Edo people wella. Make una sabi say na TMC TV na im carry dis Ogbonge informate dey come give una. My name na Oyiza Abori Ogun from Benin.